Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today we will talk about modern wooden wardrobe design ideas. Dear viewers, are you ready to elevate your space? In 2025, wooden wardrobe designs are taking center stage with innovative styles and sustainable materials. Let's explore some of the best designs that blend functionality with elegance. First up, we have the minimalist Scandinavian design, featuring clean lines and light wood finishes that bring a sense of airiness to any room. Next, the modern farmhouse style combines rustic charm with contemporary elements, using reclaimed wood and sliding barn doors for a cozy yet stylish look. For those who love a touch of luxury, consider a high gloss walnut finish. This design not only adds warmth but also creates a stunning visual impact, perfect for a sophisticated bedroom. And don't forget about modular wardrobes. These customizable options allow you to mix and match components, making it easy to adapt to your changing needs. Finally, eco-friendly designs are on the rise. Look for wardrobes made from sustainably sourced wood, showcasing natural grains and finishes that are both beautiful and kind to the planet. We understand that your wardrobe is more than just a storage unit. It's a reflection of your style and a key player in your bedroom's functionality. That's why we offer a curated selection of wardrobes and various styles, materials, and sizes to cater to every need and preferences. Here's what sets Rivage Woodwork apart. We offer a wide variety of wardrobes, from the space-saving two-door options to expensive four-door wardrobes. Whether you crave timeless elegance or a bold modern look, we have the perfect wardrobe to complement your space. We source our wardrobes from trusted manufacturers and use high quality materials to ensure durability and long lasting beauty. We believe everyone deserves a beautiful and functional wardrobe. That's why we offer competitive prices to fit any budget. So, which design resonates with you? Let's know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home design ideas. Thank you.